No, I blindly faith on miles. As they guided me, I went step by step and then I cleared this exam. Myself is Harjeet Singh. I am a chartered accountant and I have also cleared CPA exam. I am from Radhabad city of UP and doing practice as a chartered accountant, and I have my own firm SRH and Associates. Classes were delivered to my satisfaction very well, and one of instructor like Varun sir was very great, and I got very good insight from him. The subject wise testing was there and subject wise questionnaires was there, so it helped me a lot, and that was the key to clear this exam. They provide us highlighter and they said that please highlight these words, and because these words will help you get clear this exam. CPA matlab miles.